Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we're going to talk about HTML keyboard shortcut. Let's get started. Now, why do we need keyboard navigation? Not everyone actually use mouse. So now, some users have physical disabilities and only use keyboard. So now, how can we go about that? So now we actually have tab index and access key. So now for that we need to let's create about file. So about.html. So now let me just write html5 for this. So html5. So now this one should be h1 should be about page. So now let's have another file as well, another page as well. So this one should be contact.html. So this one should be HTML5. So now let me just have h1. So this one should be contact page. Now, nice. So now this is our home page. So let me just write h1 should be home page. So home page. Now, so let's make use of aqua tag. So this one should be about.html. This one should be about page. So about page. So now let's also have another aqua tag. So this one should be contact, while this one should be contact page as well. Now, instead of using our mouse to navigate, we actually want to use tab index. Now, tab index actually collects an integer. What then by integer collects numbers. So now let me just write my tab index. Sorry, it should be in lowercase. Tab index 1. So this one should be what? Tab index what? 2. Now, what does it mean? Now, it means that if I press one tab, I go to where? About page. Press another tab, I'm in where? Contact page as well. So that's how it works. Now, let's try. So now, let me refresh. So now, one tab, I'm in where? About page. So, about page. Now, let's make use of access key over here. Let's make use of what? Access key over here. So now, regarding the access key, so regarding the access key, so if you are using Windows, so if you are using Windows, you need to, this is the command, Windows laptop. So you need to press Alt plus the key. So for Mac, sorry, for Mac, let me make it this to be Pascal. For Mac laptop is going to be Control. Is going to be Control CTRL. So Control plus what? Option plus the key. Now, so for the user to, this one should be index. So this one should be home page. Now, I don't want to use tab index over here. I just want to use the keyboard shortcut, which is the access key. So I need to press access key. So now I want it that once you press H, are you with me? Once you press H, take them direct to where? Home page. Now, since I'm using Mac, I need to press Ctrl plus H. Can you see? I'm in home page. So let's use our tab, then I'm in contact. Let's do that in contact as well. So let me just copy this. So let me just copy this. So copy this, then paste it here. So now the access key of this one should be H. You can actually give it T, anyone of your choice. So let's just give it T. So we need to use, so let me refresh over here. So we need to use Control, Option, and what? T. Now I'm in what? Home page. So you can actually use tab index and what? Access key together if you want to. So now, thank you guys for watching. That's how you can actually use your keyboard shortcut to navigate on your website. That's how you can actually use what? Access key and tab index. If you actually learn new thing in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe so that I keep making good videos like this. So now, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.